right? You're going to use Termux. This will allow access to local storage. Type Y for yes. This will create a new directory or folder. Then go into that folder, initialize a new package.js file, install and save Express as a dependency. All right, so this will take about a minute because there's quite a lot of people on the Wi-Fi network. All right, so I'm just gonna say that it's very possible to develop full stack applications using a smartphone. You can use PHP as a backend or Node.js. Well, those are the only ones I have experience with. You can use MySQL as a database, Firebase, Supabase, or MongoDB. But I must admit that doing web development using a smartphone is not the easiest of ways, but it's very possible. You can even use Python as a backend, but um, this shouldn't take too long. Okay, seems like it's responding. Yep, looks like Express was successfully installed. Type ls to check the files in your folder. We're gonna go to the A code editor app. All right, click on files, click on the plus symbols, add path, click on select folder, and go to the top right and select Termux and look for Node.js REST API. Click it, click use this folder, click allow, click OK, click the check mark. Click Node.js folder and click the check mark. Oh, wrong tutorial. So click the top left, those three lines. The bottom Node.js REST API. Go back to Termux and create a index.js file, an empty one. Okay, so it's there. Refresh, its index.js file is there. Okay, we're gonna copy and paste an Express boilerplate code that listens for the port on port number 3000. Alright, so make sure to click on save. Go back to Termux and type node index.js. Alright, so go to your browser to ensure it's running on port 3000. Yep, it's working. Okay, that should do the trick. Alright, so this is just to test an API a REST API. So we're gonna add another route. This route is called greeting. Yep, that's it, greeting. Alright, so we're gonna stop the server by typing Control C on the keyboard. We're gonna paste this boilerplate code that creates another route called greeting. We're gonna restart the server by typing node index.js. Go back to the browser and we're gonna navigate to localhost 3000 slash greeting to make sure the REST API is working. And sure enough, it is. And thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.